Hello friends, Namaskar, this is Sanjay. In this video, we will solve the 10 computer literacy questions from the KVS TGT previous paper that was conducted on the 23rd of December of 2018. Now, if you look at the computer literacy syllabus for PRT, TGT and PGT, you'll see that they are very similar. So which means that these 10 questions should be solved if you are preparing for PRT, TGT or your PGT examinations. So let's get started. All the data in a computer system is represented as which of the following. Now when we look at the data on the screen or in a file on our computer, we can see numbers, we can see alphabets, we can see characters or images. That is because humans can understand numbers, alphabets, characters or images very easily. Whereas if we look at how this data is actually stored and processed at a machine level, computer can understand data in a binary format. So this data is actually stored in the form of zeros and ones. For example, 0 can be stored like this, 9 can be stored like this, and even the alphabets are stored in the form of zeros and ones. Therefore, all the data in the computer system is represented in zeros and ones, that is in binary format. Which of the following tasks is possible in slideshow of MS PowerPoint? Now, I'm using PowerPoint to make these videos. So I can embed videos inside PowerPoint and videos will play in a PowerPoint slide. And in PowerPoint, you can also represent data in the form of tables. For example, if you are preparing the result of a class, you can show the result like this in the form of a table. Therefore, playing a YouTube video can be done inside a PowerPoint slide. Preparing the result of a class can be done. But you cannot browse a website from inside PowerPoint, because when you click a link in a PowerPoint slide, your browser will open, right? It can be Microsoft Edge or it can be Chrome or it can be Opera. So an external browser will open if you click on a link inside a PowerPoint slide. So here you can do B and C inside PowerPoint. You cannot do A. So B and C only is the correct answer here. The numeric data entered in the worksheet, that is an Excel worksheet, is aligned by default to which side? So numeric data means numbers. Now you can test this out by opening a blank worksheet, and if you type any alphabets, then the alphabets will automatically get aligned towards the left side. And if you type any numbers, the numbers will automatically get aligned towards the right side. So when it comes to numeric data that is entered into a worksheet, it automatically gets aligned towards the right side. Which of the following is used to carry digital data on analog lines? At home, if you are using a telephone line to connect to the internet, then you'll be using a modem. So a modem is a combination of a modulator and a demodulator. A modem can carry digital data over an analog telephone line. So if you are using a BSNL connection or any other connection where you connect to the internet over a copper telephone line, then you'll be using a modem to connect to the internet. Which of the following is the correct expansion for the term VGA? In older desktops and laptops, you'll see a socket which looks like this, and you can use a cable which looks like this to connect to a monitor or a projector from this socket. So the socket is called a video graphics array. So VGA means video graphics array. But in newer laptops, you'll find a HDMI connection or you can connect to monitors using USB-C. But in older laptops and desktops, you'll find a VGA connector and you can use a VGA cable to connect to the monitor or to a projector. Which of the following tasks can be done using MS Excel? Now, if you are preparing a student's results, or if you are storing names of Indian classical singers with their Gharana, then you are creating tables or showing data in a tabular format. So both A and B can be easily done in MS Excel. And you can also embed music videos into an Excel spreadsheet. But when you click on that video, it will not start playing inside the spreadsheet. It will open a separate media player and it will play outside of the spreadsheet. Therefore, playing music video is not possible in an Excel spreadsheet. Therefore, only A and B are possible inside an Excel spreadsheet. Therefore, A and B only is the correct answer here. Devices that enter information into the computer and communicate with it are called what devices? Now, mouse, keyboard, joystick. So these are all input devices which we can use to input or enter data into the computer. And we can use monitors or printers or speakers to get data out of the computer. Here we are being asked what are the devices that are used to enter or input information into the computer. So here we are going to use input devices. Which of the following options contains extensions of MS Office files? When we are talking about MS Office files, we are talking about Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So Word uses doc or docx and Excel uses XLS or XLSX and PowerPoint uses PPT or PPTX. Now, Adobe Acrobat uses PDF as the native file format. So when we look at the options, the first one has PDFX in it. Now PDFX is not a valid file format, so this can be eliminated. The next one is saying XLSX and docx and PPTX. So this is a correct answer. The next one is saying XLS, doc and PDF. So PDF is not a native format of MS Office. So we can eliminate this. And PPT, doc and PDF. Again, PDF is not a native MS Office file format. So we can eliminate this. Therefore, the correct answer here is XLSX, docx and PPTX. A disruptive program, that is a destructive program that spreads from program to program or from disk to disk is known as which of the following? Now this is a very simple question because you know that computer virus spreads from computer to computer. It can spread from program to program by infecting different programs, or it can spread from disk to disk, or when you use a pen drive, it can get infected into the pen drive and it can be transmitted to other computers as well. Therefore, a disruptive program that spreads from program to program or from disk to disk is called as a virus. The action of using the mouse to move an item on the computer screen to a new location is called which of the following? Now, if you want to move something that is there on the computer screen from one place to another place, what is the action that you can use? You can cut the item from the current location and you can paste it in a different location. So you can use cut and paste to move the item from one location to another location. However, in this question, they have specifically mentioned that the action of using the mouse to move an item on the computer screen to a new location is called which of the following? Now, cut paste is something that you can do with a mouse or with a keyboard, but drag and drop is something that you can do only with a mouse. You cannot drag and drop an item using a keyboard. Therefore, the action of using the mouse to move an item on the computer screen to a new location is called drag and drop. And with that, we have completed the 10 computer literacy questions from this question paper. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them in the comment section below. I will see you again very soon in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.